I am convinced that America's new favorite pastime is lying to women who want to lose weight. Seems like the only narrative out there right now is don't eat, exercise more, and take a shot. And this is so crazy because your body runs on nutrients the same way your car runs on gas. So when you don't give your body the fuel it needs, weight loss becomes really hard. But the thing that no one is telling you is that you can eat more food and lose more weight. And if you want, I can show you how. And I'll even do it with you for free. So comment FMD below and I'll send you the link to join me and we'll spend 2 weeks together on real weight loss.